Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm standing in the lounge room of a property we've renovated. The vision for this house was to create an urban farmhouse, and when designing it, we knew we wanted to add some interest through the use of timber mouldings. Now in this room, the main thing that we wanted to do was draw attention to the huge ceiling heights. They're absolutely beautiful. So using those timber mouldings and dragging them from the wall all the way across the ceiling has really highlighted just how tall they are. Intrim have a big range of profile designs to choose from, and we chose a Casa trim wall and ceiling batten in Cavetto profile. It's really important that you lay out your design to see how it will work in the space before having your trades install it. Now upstairs in the boys' bedroom, we used a slightly different profile from the Casa trim range. And you can see again, it's just added that little bit of interest in that room, and then popping the colour on it, you've kind of gone from boring to really amazing. Whether it's you or the trades, you can buy directly from Intrim and have the products delivered to site. Adding Intrim timber mouldings is an easy way to add a feature to any room. If you need help choosing your timber mouldings, head on over to Intrim's website.